Thank you everyone for visiting Ram MG today. At Ram MG today we have launched the MG Hector Blackstorm, starting price 21.4 lakh. The car will be available in at 5-seater and 7-seater and in Hector diesel as well. In 5-seater, 6-seater and 7-seater, all variants. Do visit us at Ram MG, Banjara Hills, Kukatpalli, Gachibowli, Kondapur. We are available to serve you. Thank you. Price starting at 21.4 lakh for the Blackstorm variant.
What are the unique features?
The unique features, it is all black now. It comes with black alloy wheels, red calipers. It comes with host of features. We have the largest display which is coming in any car today in India. It comes with full-size panoramic sunroof. There are 75 plus connected smart feature in the car. Please come and test drive at Ram MG.
So which segment you are targeting?
We target the segment, and this car is made for all the customers who would like to drive a full packed SUV. Thank you for coming.
Hector Blackstorm launch అయింది 21.4 lakhs ex showroom price. Complete black interior, black alloys, red caliper తో వస్తుంది. 5 and 7 seaters లో ఆటోమేటిక్ వర్షన్ వస్తుంది. 5, 6, 7 seaters లో డీజిల్ మాన్యువల్ లో అవైలబుల్. ఆల్ ప్రీమియం ఫీచర్స్ ఏవైతే హెక్టర్ లో ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ వస్తాయి. ఇంకా ఫర్దర్ డీటెయిల్స్ కోసం యూ కెన్ రీచ్ అవుట్ టు ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ది MG షోరూమ్స్.